2023 Toyota Grand Highlander. This brand new car is getting protected. Our client chose paint protection film and window tint to be installed. In order for the film to stick to the hood properly, we have to stretch it in order for it to wrap around the curves of the hood. Now we squeegee as the solution underneath to apply the film and activate the adhesive. This area is tricky. We have to spray a tack solution to make this film stick around this curve on the hood. One of the last, but most important parts, cutting out the film. If we fuck this up, we have to redo it all over again. Same process from the hood. But now we install this piece of film on the front fender. Our client opted for our premium paint protection package. It includes fenders, pillars, and a partial roof portion right above the windshield. Fresh blade, easier cut. Once excess film is cut, the edges are left to dry and then sealed.